Well, good morning, everybody. It's a cold one again. A lovely part of Colorado. Warm one day, cold the next, or warm 1 hour, cold the next. Well, let's get started on this project for today. Today we are working on, well, I guess it's time to tackle the CV axle. Once you've got your wheel off, get this cotter key out right here. So with a pair of pliers, just straighten that up. Work that cotter key out of there. And sometimes they're stubborn.
15 minutes later.
Well, that thing is stuck in there. Don't want to come out whatsoever. Alright. If you have it, it'll impact socket and wrench and 32mm socket. Take the nut off. Alright, now we got the axle out of the wheel. Up in there, there's two 13mm bolts that's bolted in to keep it to hold the axle in. Sometimes the axle will come out and sometimes not. Sometimes you got to take that bracket that it's holding out with it, and I've already took off the 4 16mm that holds the bracket, so we'll be pulling the axle out with the bracket. Sit back and enjoy the show. What show? I don't know, because you guys can't hardly see what I'm doing from over there. Let's see what's that. Alright, you want to be careful when you're pulling out this axle so you don't mess up that seal up there on the transmission. I did buy another seal just in case if I do end up messing it up. So say to keep that straight as possible. Just like that, it's out. All right, we're going to head to lunch and we'll be right back to you just like. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Been a slow start for me today. Had a few other things had to get taken care of. Had to do some editing, but we're about ready to get started on. Well, it's finally getting warm in the shop. Take the coat off. All right. Get that seal out. Got to use the slide hammer, I guess. But unfortunately, I don't have the piece to pull in out the seal, so I'm gonna have to see it. Make another one of these, but make it flat with a hook on it. Manufacture my own hook pull, so. Back outside. Uh-oh. Well, that's all right. No. Oh, shoot. I cut that head off. Wasn't supposed to. All right. Well, he was just trying to sit here getting some editing done, and apparently lost some footage of putting the CV axle back in. Taking the seal out, we lost. So sorry for the interruption. Alright, we're gonna try. See if we can tap that on with this. Get on there straight. Hit the camera, so you didn't even see any of that. Yeah. Alright, now we'll slowly try to push that new axle up in there. Keeping the shaft clean. Careful with that seal. In there. Now we gotta get that clamp put on, hold that in, and then get this knuckle put back. It's all put back on. So, all right, let's see how things are going. All right, for these strut bolts, we'll be torquing them to 105 foot-pounds. Good. The impact wrench definitely did it. The impact wrench gets it to that out. All right. Those torque now will get the axle shaft nut torqued. Axle nut, will be torquing it down to 129 foot-pounds. Need a pry bar put in between the lug bolts. Alright. Now we gotta find a new key to put in there, and then the tire can go back on. Well, that's about wraps it up for today. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Thank you.